smells not good. What is that smell?
The kitchen, I think. The restaurant.
Yung mga bata next day. Galing niya. Yung tatay.
You could also walk down here. Take
Yes.
take the station. Yeah, whatever.
C'est là. Le début de la noire et ensuite on bifurque à droite au lieu de prendre à gauche pour prendre la verte comme on a pris tout à l'heure.
Just have to stay on the side, huh?
Yeah, okay.
You're not to disturb it.
Tingnan niyo gaano kaputi dito lahat. Yeah. Ayan. Yan, nag-i-ski yung mga bata. Magagaling sila. Ganyan yung sports nila dito pag winter. This is the last station. We're going to walk. And that's the last station. So guys, we are here now on top of the mountain of Saint-Gervier, and we are going to walk down. And it's a nice weather today, and it's snowy. As you can see, it's snowing also. And this is the colleague of Denise. They're working in the ski club. Yeah. And we are just going to walk. Guys, I'm doing the double camera here, and I'm going to show you. We are going to walk around here. Yeah, as you can see, snowing, still snowing. Yeah, in front camera is not very clear because it's cloudy and snowy. And there they go, they do their skiing. So there you go. We have a lot of people here doing the skiing. And then I'm here in the mountain, and guys, you can see how beautiful the snow here. Yan, makikita natin dyan. We are here in Saint-Gervais. The name of this place is Saint-Gervais. Ayan. Ayan, makikita natin yung mga tao dito nag-ski. Shout out to Ayesha Jumaani. Hello Yaying, kumusta na? I hope na okay ra ko Ying. Ayesha Jumaani, BS Economics in Western Mindanao State University. Shout out kay mo Ying. Ayan, nandito tayo sa loob ng kantin, kakain tayo. So guys, magfi-film tayo ulit dito. Kasi tingnan ninyo, dual camera tayo ngayon. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga bata doon. Yan. Tapos doon. So ayun. Ayun guys. Sobrang lalim ng snow. Ayan. Doon tayo. Today is a very beautiful day because it's a lot of snow here. This mountain. So ayun. And then dito sa side na to, tignan natin. Yan. Tignan ninyo guys, so sa baba. Yan. So, sobrang lamig. Ang lakas ng snow dito sa mountain. Ayan. Foggy siya. No. Ayan! Welcome to Saint-Gervais Mountain here in France. Nasa France tayo ngayon. Full snow dito. Daming snow. Super lamig. Ayan. Tingnan niyo guys, gaano kalalim yung snow. May nag-ski doon, hindi natin nakita. Ayun. So malamig. Sakit na yung kamay ko. So punta na tayo guys. Ayun, foggy na, hindi na masyado clear. So punta na tayo doon. So dito na tayo. We go and go walking. Ayan. So malakas ang snow ngayon at foggy. It's okay.
Ah oui, now there's a timer. Okay, go. Tu m'as dit que tu l'as mis.
Guys, andito na tayo sa Saint-Gervais. Malaki ang snow. Tapos, ang daming snow ngayong araw. And then, yun. Maganda. They're really good in skiing. So, yeah. So, yes, guys. We're here. Lakas ng snow. Tapos foggy. Hindi masyado clear. Doon yung mga tao. Lakad lang tayo guys. It's moving?
Yes.
So guys, we will just have a walk here in this mountain and we will discover. Okay. It's very clear. Hindi siya masyado. Yan. So wala tayong nakikita nga ng ski. Ayan.
Okay, we'll go come there.
Okay.
See?
Ayan. So someone is coming. Ayan. Ayan.